Hey, Ravi, have you heard about this new system that's going to transform how we commute in Delhi?
No, what's it all about?
It's called the Automated Bus Scheduling and Route Management System, and it's going to make commuting a lot smoother.
Really? How does it work?
Well, it uses AI and real-time GPS data to manage bus routes, schedules, and even crew shifts. So instead of waiting endlessly for buses or dealing with overcrowded routes, the system adjusts everything on the fly.
Sounds impressive, but how does it help with the delays in traffic?
That's the best part. The system predicts traffic patterns and suggests the most efficient routes in real time, avoiding congestion. Plus, it syncs with the metro timings, so your bus and metro rides can align perfectly.
Wow, so no more running to catch the metro just to miss the last bus?
Exactly. And for the crew, the system automates their schedules too, making sure they get proper breaks while keeping everything running smoothly.
We are Team Weavers. We are presenting our project prototype on the published statement of SIH1612, which is related to Delhi Transport Corporation under the theme Smart Vehicle. This is our project website, which we have built for the user. Actually, this project aims more onto the admin side, but we have developed a website for the users, and we have provided some basic features to user also. So let's start with the features. So this is like a landing page or website in which user can view about the DTC, and some FAQs are there. Then moving forward with the bus routes. Now we have provided user this feature so that user can search any route depending on, suppose if we entered 172 as the route number, or 142 any, those are the routes which Delhi DTC has. So if I select 172 up, then it will plot all the bus stops onto the map. So as you can see at the right side, it has plot all the bus stops onto the map. We are using Leaflet here, which is an open source map API. uh, Actually, this route goes to the total 31 stops, starting from the ice factory all the way to the Ashok Vihar Center Market. So we have collected this data from the Open Transit Data, which is a government site. Actually, they have provided all of this data into the text format. As you can see, this is the sample data. This is like actual data they have provided, but this is updated data. And as you can see, they have provided like agencies, DTC and DIMTS. Actually, Delhi has two types of buses. Delhi has its own government buses, and Delhi also has some private buses running there. Then the calendar, fare attributes, fare rules. Actually, this data is like more than some of this txt file has more than uh, 33 lakhs rows also. So we have to manage the data. We have converted this data into the format which user needs. Like we have converted this data into the like bus stops. The stops has given some longitude and latitude also. As you can see, there are some longitude and latitude given. So we are plotting this longitude and latitude on the leaflet map API. So that's how we are displaying user about the bus stops and bus routes. Moving forward to the admin side, we also have our admin panel. Okay, so moving forward to the admin panel, which is the most important feature of this project. So we have created this temporary generate bus timetable. As you can see, admin can upload a CSV file of routes, or uh, user or admin can generate from existing routes. Actually, we have collected some one of the like famous routes of Delhi, which is let me show you. If I just upload any file of the routes, this routes.csv, this includes top 10 routes of the Delhi. As you can see, there it mentions route ID, route and route short name, route long name, and other details also. There is also column for the average number of passengers travel weekly and weekly for the weekend and weekdays. We are using this data to calculate the number of frequency of the buses. We are analyzing this, and also the stops and distances also. So let me demonstrate you this feature, how we are generating our bus timetable. So if I uploaded this file, I have uploaded all of the routes in the CSV format, and if I click on generate from uploaded routes, and I can use existing means we have stored some routes into our database, and we are fetching from that. Let's generate from this CSV file. So if I click generate, it will give me a two timetable, which is for weekday and weekend, because depending on the passengers, we have generated two timetables. So first, let's see what it is generated for the weekday. So if I download this and also download the weekend timetable. Mm, yes. So now, as you can see, this is a weekday timetable, and this is a weekend timetable. Okay. So those timetables includes top 10 routes, and as you can see, this timetable includes the route ID, short name, and most importantly, the departure timings. So it has depending on the passenger data, number of passenger traveling to a particular time slot. We have our algorithm has divided it into the number of frequency, like from 5:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. The frequency of the bus on the route 961 will be 15 minutes per bus. Then the frequency change depending on the uses. So as you can see, if the route is like less busy, as you can see, this route is 998. It is less busier than the route number 961. So it has adjusted the frequency to 15 minutes, from 15 to 20 minutes. We have also like 30-minute frequency. That actually depends on the number of passengers traveling to them. We are actually providing dummy data to this, but when we get access to the actual data, we can, as you can see, this is for the weekdays and this is for the weekends. So the frequency of buses changes depending on the number of passenger traveling on the particular day. So moving forward with another unique feature of our project, which is like advertisement. So as you can see, this is a feature we are implementing to generate revenue for the DTC. Anyone who has local business and like who wants to run ads, who can fill this form. This form is visible to the admin. Once the admin is confirmed, then the advertisement can be shown on the displays of bus stops or even on the buses also. So this is like main key feature of our project. Like we have implemented the bus timetable. We are also implementing the crew management here, which is like the second most important feature of this project. What we are doing is we are implementing linked and unlinked scheduling both for the crew as mentioned in our problem statement. For implementing linked and unlinked bus scheduling, we are referring to one research paper published in Taiwan. Actually, this research paper talks about how linked and unlinked scheduling implemented in Taiwan, but we need to modify this for the our DTC. This paper talks about the complex mathematics behind how they are doing linked and unlinked scheduling. This is a Taiwan's map they have given of the buses. They have also implemented this for the bus, but we need to modify this and make some changes for the DTC. Some of the key features I want to highlight in our project are predictive analysis. We are using machine learning to optimize our routes and predict traffic and traffic demands and delays. Then this is one of the important feature, like electric bus integration. We are actually prioritizing electric bus for the longer routes so that we can reduce the carbon footprint and also reduce the fuel uses. Then multimodal integration. We are implementing this with Delhi Metro and bike sharing services. Next one is the revenue from advertising. Like I have shown you, like the demonstration of the form and how this works. We are actually doing this also. So next feature is safety and compliance. This feature includes some hardware. We are actually using alcohol detection at depots. So once the crew has come for the duty, they have to pass through alcohol detection machine. And we are planning to implement some device that actually monitors driver behavior, like harsh braking and overspeeding of the bus, that actually alerts the admin that about the driver's behavior also. Other than this, we are implementing WhatsApp updates using WhatsApp Cloud API to inform crew about the schedule, and they can have easy access to the data and updates. So this is like okay, this is just a this is just a basic prototype of our project. We are currently implementing all of the feature I mentioned in our slide. We are continuously improving our project to as close to the problem statement. We are working with crew management now because this is the main feature of our project, in which we are implementing linked and unlinked scheduling. As I showed you the research paper, we are referring to it. So this is all from our side. Thank you.